Welcome to my channel. What if I told you that today you will learn how to talk about yourself in English, slowly, naturally, and with real confidence? Even if you only know a few words right now, don't worry. I'll guide you step by step. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. So stay with me until the end, because this lesson could change the way you speak English forever. Chapter 1. Who you are and what you do. Let's begin with a simple question. What's your name? What's your name? The short answer is, my name is Tom. My name is Tom. Now, a longer answer could be, hi, my name is Tom and I'm from the US. I'm from the US. A more detailed answer might sound like this. Hi, my name is Tom. I'm from the United States, but I've also lived in Europe and Asia. I love teaching English and meeting people from around the world. Now, it's your turn. What's your name? I'll give you 20 seconds. But remember, you can pause the video if you need more time. Great. Maybe you said, my name is Maria, or hi, I'm Ahmed, or my name is Sita. I'm from India, wonderful job. Let's try one more time. Say your name and where you are from. Ready? Go. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Where are you from? Where are you from? This question means, what country or city do you come from? The short answer is, I'm from Mexico. I'm from Mexico. A longer answer could be, I'm from Mexico City, but now I live in Canada. I'm from Mexico City, but now I live in Canada. A more detailed answer might be, I'm originally from Mexico City, a big, busy place full of culture, but I moved to Toronto last year. I really like the peaceful life here. Now it's your turn. Where are you from? I'll give you 20 seconds. Fantastic. Maybe you said, I'm from Egypt. Or, I'm from Tokyo, Japan. Or maybe you said, I'm originally from Colombia, but now I live in Spain. Great job. Keep going. You're doing amazing. Now, let's answer this question. What do you do? What do you do? This means, what is your job? Or are you a student? Or do you work at home? The short answer is, I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. A longer answer could be, I work as an English teacher. I help people speak English clearly and confidently. Now, a more detailed answer would be something like this. I work as an English teacher, both online and in person. I teach students from different countries. I love my work because I see people grow step by step in their English. Now it's your turn. What do you do? I'll give you 20 seconds. Great. Maybe you said, I'm a student, or I work in a hospital, or I'm a cook. You can also say, I work as a driver, or I take care of my home. All right, now let's say it again. This time, try to speak a little slower and a little more confidently. Ready? Go. Excellent work. Now let's answer a more personal question. What kind of person are you? What kind of person are you? The short answer is, I think I'm kind. I think I'm kind. A longer answer might be, I think I'm a calm and friendly person. I try to be nice to others. A more detailed answer could be, I would say I'm a kind, calm, and thoughtful person. I like helping others, and I enjoy quiet moments. I try to stay positive, even when things are hard. Now let's talk about some of these words. Kind means nice to people. Friendly means open and warm with others. Calm means relaxed and peaceful. Thoughtful means you think about other people's feelings. You care. Now it's your turn. What kind of person are you? I'll give you 20 seconds. Remember, pause the video if you want more time. Very good. Maybe you said, I'm honest and hardworking. Or, I'm quiet, but friendly. Or, people say I'm funny and helpful. Nice. Say it again. What kind of person are you? All right, let's move on. How would your friends describe you? How would your friends describe you? That means, what do your friends say about you? The short answer is, they say I'm funny. They say I'm funny. A longer answer could be, my friends say I'm funny and easy to talk to. A more detailed answer might sound like this. My friends would describe me as someone who listens and supports them. They often say I'm patient, and they come to me when they need advice or just someone to talk to. Let's learn a few words here. Describe means to talk about what something or someone is like. Patient means you don't get angry quickly. Advice means helpful ideas or suggestions. Now your turn. How would your friends describe you? I'll give you 20 seconds. You can say, my friends say I'm creative, or they say I'm caring, or they think I'm a good listener. All right, say it one more time. How would your friends describe you? Now, let's try one more question for this chapter. Are you more introverted or extroverted? Are you more introverted or extroverted? Introverted means you like quiet and time alone. Extroverted means you enjoy being around many people. The short answer is, I think I'm more introverted. A longer answer could be, I like spending time with people, but I also need quiet time alone to recharge. A more detailed answer is, I'm mostly introverted. I enjoy deep conversations and small groups, but I get tired in big crowds. After a busy day, I need to be alone to feel calm again. Let's review some words. Recharge means to get your energy back. Deep conversations mean meaningful talks, not small talk. Now it's your turn. Are you more introverted or extroverted? I'll give you 20 seconds. Awesome. Maybe you said, I'm extroverted. I love being around people, or I'm both. Sometimes I'm social, sometimes quiet. Great work. Let's try again. Ready? You did great in this chapter. You answered many important questions. Your name, your job, where you're from, your personality. These are real-life questions that people ask all the time. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel. And don't worry if it's not perfect. You're learning, and you're doing it step by step. Now let's move into Chapter 2, where we talk about your daily life, hobbies, and what makes you happy. Chapter 2, Your Daily Life, Feelings, and Hobbies. Let's start with this question. What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? The short answer is, I like reading. I like reading. A longer answer could be, I like reading and listening to music. Now, a more detailed answer might sound like this. In my free time, I enjoy reading books, listening to relaxing music, and going for quiet walks in the park. These things help me relax and feel good. Let's talk about a few words here. Free time means time when you're not working or studying. Enjoy means to like doing something. Relax means to rest or feel calm. Now, it's your turn. What do you like to do in your free time? I'll give you 20 seconds. Nice work. Maybe you said, I like watching movies, or I enjoy cooking and playing games, or I like going for walks with my dog. Let's try that again. Say one more thing you like to do in your free time. Ready? Go. Okay. Now here's a related question. How do you relax? How do you relax? The short answer is, I relax by listening to music. A longer answer could be, I relax by listening to soft music and drinking tea. A more detailed answer might be something like this. When I want to relax, I turn off my phone, play some soft music, and sit quietly. Sometimes I watch a movie or take a warm shower. These things help me feel calm again. Let's learn a few words. Soft music means slow, quiet music. Sit quietly means you don't talk or move too much. To feel calm means you feel peaceful, not stressed. Now your turn. How do you relax? I give you 20 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time. Fantastic. Maybe you said, I relax by reading a book, or I relax by taking a walk, or I like to lie down and close my eyes. Very good. Let's try again. How do you relax? Now let's talk about weekends. How do you usually spend your weekends? How do you usually spend your weekends? The short answer is, I usually stay home and rest. A longer answer could be, I usually spend my weekends cooking and watching TV. Now a more detailed answer might be, on weekends I like to slow down. I wake up late, make some coffee, and listen to music. Sometimes I go out with friends. Other times I stay home and just relax. Let's look at some words. Usually means most of the time. Slow down means to stop rushing. Stay home means you don't go out. Now it's your turn. How do you usually spend your weekends? I'll give you 20 seconds. Nice job. Maybe you said, I visit my family, or I go shopping, or I go hiking in the mountains. That's great. Let's try that one more time. What do you do on weekends? Here's a more personal question now. What makes you happy? What makes you happy? The short answer is, good music makes me happy. A longer answer could be, talking to my friends and watching the sunset makes me happy. A more detailed answer might sound like this. Many things make me happy. Spending time with my family, walking in nature, eating good food, and listening to calm music. I also feel happy when I help others or learn something new. Let's learn some words. Spending time means using time with someone. Nature means trees, sky, rivers, and everything outside. Helping others means doing kind things for people. Now you try. What makes you happy? I give you 20 seconds. Amazing. Maybe you said, my family makes me happy, or my children make me happy, or good food and quiet evenings make me happy. Now try again. One more time. What makes you happy? Now let's talk about something very important. Feeling proud. What is something you are proud of? What is something you are proud of? The short answer is, I'm proud of learning English. A longer answer could be, I'm proud of working hard and taking care of my family. A more detailed answer is, I'm proud of learning English step by step, even when it's difficult. I'm also proud of being a kind person. I try to help others, and that makes me feel good. Let's learn a word here. Proud means you feel good about something you did. Maybe you worked hard, maybe you achieved something big or small, and now you feel proud. Now it's your turn. What are you proud of? I'll give you 20 seconds. Great work. Maybe you said, I'm proud of my job, or I'm proud of my children, or I'm proud that I didn't give up. Beautiful. Let's try again. What are you proud of? Let's move to our final question. What helps you stay positive? What helps you stay positive? That means, what helps you feel good, even when life is hard? The short answer is, I try to focus on small good things. A longer answer could be, I stay positive by thinking about what I have, not what I don't have. A more detailed answer might be, when life feels difficult, I try to notice small things like sunshine, a kind message from a friend, or a quiet moment. I remind myself that everything passes. Gratitude helps me stay positive. Let's learn a few words. Gratitude means being thankful. Positive means having hope or good feelings, not bad ones. Remind means to remember again. Now your turn. What helps you stay positive? I'll give you 20 seconds. You might say, talking to friends helps me stay positive. Or, walking in the park helps me feel good. Or, remembering my goals gives me hope. Wonderful. Now try again. What helps you stay positive? Now take a deep breath. You've just done something amazing. You've answered many real questions about your daily life, your feelings, and your personality. You didn't just learn words, you used them. You didn't just study, you spoke. And every time you speak, even in small ways, you grow, step by step, word by word.